What's a Wolfpack fam? It's your boy Kid back at it again. We have some more UK camera Candid classics to be checking out, or Candid camera classics to be checking out today. It's been a hot minute since we've checked out some stuff. Obviously, we've checked out Beatles and Bow. We have checked out Candid camera classic stuff before. I think it's long overdue, but we want to give a shout out real quick to our homie Wowdad for your suggestion. Thank you so much for your suggestion. Keep on suggesting things so that we can do our best to make it happen. So, without further ado, let's check this out. As always, snacks is not included. Damn it, you gotta bring your own. Let's get it. Snacks not included. Let's freaking go.
First, let's take a look at some unorthodox supermarket shopping and the ever-helpful Johathan helping himself to someone else's groceries.
Oh, man. She don't notice.
He's not stealing them, of course. He's merely redistributing them.
Oh, man. He just looked at her like, what the hell? Was smooth with it. She's thinking about it. Oh, man. Lady about to smack him. Oh, man. Love how everyone just chill with it. Get your own. Oh, man, this is funny as hell, man. Sometimes you don't need any words. We got to talk about it. 1 second. Let me switch screen. Ladies and gentlemen, this was absolutely stellar to see. The greatest strength on this is just seeing everyone's reactions. And obviously, this is back in the day. And to me, everyone seemed so laid back, so chill. A couple of them had little smirks. A couple of the older ladies had some smirks with it. Some were just switching it up as well. The guy that he turned around, he did like, he grabbed it. He grabbed his item back smoothly and stuff. Just a time that you just see everybody really just understood and have a little joke. At least I can say that if I tried to do this shit in my neighborhood, I'm probably gonna be getting hit with the frying. Somebody's gonna smack me with a piece of meat or some shit. Man, you can't do these things, man. And that's the sad reality. Things that were chill, cool. Now you try doing this. And again, we've seen pranks that are happening nowadays where people take it to like some crazy levels that don't really go on the verge of being considered pranks. This is sometimes you're seeing some shit that's downright assault and all that stuff. So, but these type of pranks, these type of candid classics, yeah, definitely a treat to see, man. Like again, no words going on. I mean, you're seeing people mumble some stuff, but you have the little music that is accompanying this, and to that just added to my overall immersion. But again, the greatest strength of watching this right now to me was seeing everyone's reaction. There was no one tripping out like what the going crazy, Hulk mode or anything like that. Everyone mostly had a good laugh. I think the young lady, she just kept it moving. She's like, you seeing some people doing the 360 turn back, like I think they took some, you know what I mean? But they just went along with it, like, whatever. It's all good. But the guy said it in the beginning, that it's not stealing. I think the line was, "It's not stealing until it's paid for." So it's true. I think that was the line or something along that terms right there. But yeah, this was absolutely a great treat. Thank you to Wowdad for your suggestion. The Candid classics, the Beatles about stuff that we've been seeing on the channel. Again, we haven't done these in a while. We're taking a little break on it, but man, these still continue to deliver. And I think I just would have been smirking. I honestly would have been just laughing. Like I would have been more like, what the hell is going on, man? But I would have been smirking, man. But if I do this in my neighborhood, 1000%, I feel like, if it's weird to say, but I feel like a lot of days now, people are so anal with a lot of shit that they forget to kind of loosen up a little bit, just have a good laugh and stuff. I don't know. Maybe you guys will relate. You let me know. How you guys feel if you were to try this now in your area. But here, obviously, this wouldn't fly anymore. I'll probably get my ass whooped and stuff. But man, it's really cool to see. I'm glad we checked it out. Hopefully, we can see some more stuff like that. But this swap, supermarket swap stuff thing was absolutely really cool to do. Thank you guys for letting me know and checking out this. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to suggesting so we can do some more stuff. And we'll see you soon. Peace out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.